Hello and welcome. I am at CMT Stuttgart. I've got in front of me a motorhome. It says there, free philosophy point. So it's a free philosophy. Well, what's a philosophy? Well, we'll find out, because whatever it is, it's free. So this motorhome here, see, it's got a alcove, to use the German word. It costs 66,600 euros. A Sun Living A60 SP Edition 25. This Sun Living is meant to be a cheaper version of Adria. So it's a 6-meter motorhome. It sleeps 4, and I've got to say, it does look quite airy inside. So, big window there, slit windows at either side, bed here, which will come up, should you need it. Fiat Ducato base, which now there's more and more Fiat Ducatos on the market. Storage up here, quite a lot of space there. Over here, sensible place, I think, for a wardrobe, and it's a nice big one at that. And here, kitchen, 3 burners in a row. Oh, I like this sink unit, very big sink. That's very handy. Most of us have sinks which we can't get our pans properly washed out, and we have to take them outside the vehicle. Fridge that opens both ways. In here we have got a airy, bright shower toilet. Note 2 drainage points, proper domestic drainage inside. I've got this sink here, which will go up and down like that. Here we've got, oops, I think it's a bit, no, it's okay. I thought it was a bit tight, but it's okay. Storage in there. Steps up to the bed, window here, storage along the back, window there. Very bright inside, and bear in mind, it's we're not inside and the lights aren't even on. Drawers down there in the kitchen. Hey, I quite like this. And through here, we'll have a look what's down here. There's the ladder to get up to bed with. I'm not so keen on ladders myself, but let's face it, there's no other solution when you've got something like this. And let's have a look in here. There is your garage. There's access to your garage. Now, it's worth bearing in mind that this vehicle is only 6 meters in length. Proper drawer as well. I've got to say, Sun Living certainly wouldn't be my first choice of a vehicle, but I think this is really good. I mean, there might be some problem I don't know about, but from the cosmetic point of view, the functionality point of view, it all seems to be working. Let's have a look at the garage, if we can get in. Oh, I just closed it. Sorry. Well, for 6 meter, I had a 6 meter motorhome. I didn't have a garage this big. Got lashing straps. Hey, it's quite good, this. Nice little storage area. And that's what it looks like at the back. That means you save, Sie sparen, 6,600 euros. Depends on the circumstances. Let's now have a quick look at this, because I didn't give a very good look at it before. So I'll give you the price, but this is the bit here. Now it's claiming 550 on a 3,500 kilo base. Zuladung is payload. 232 centimeters in width, 309 is highest point. Standing height inside 210. It says 4+1. You can make an extra sleeping place in the semi-dinette, and there's the bed size. It's 180 and 210 centimeters in length. Wow. I think that's very good. Sorry, it's both the both of the permanent beds you saw 210 centimeters in length. The 180 is the one that can be made up, which you didn't see, which is an option. Look at that. It got here first place as an imported vehicle in Motorhome of the year 2025, Pro Mobil. You know what? I didn't give you the price. Yes, I did. I think that is a very nice looking motorhome. I mean, it's not the sort of thing as well I'd normally go for, but it's very practical. If you don't like the cab over, there are different. The thing about a cab over is it gives you more space. The negative point of it is fuel consumption. But if you're thinking about fuel consumption, it shouldn't be in one of these things anyway. If the fuel consumption's a problem for you, get walk. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that interesting. I think this is really, really good. Hey, whilst we're here, whilst we're sort of amazed at this, let's just take you around the rest of the Adria stand and see what else there's here. So, there's another Sun Living. I'm not going to take the Adria stand, I meant the Sun Living stand. We'll have a look at this one here, because this has also got a cab over. And so this thing here, A60 SL, it is in length 745 centimeters, cost 75,000 euros. And this, okay, this is more sort of a traditional layout, looking at it from here. And yeah, same good shower drainage. Yeah, this is more sort of what sort of used to with the cab over model. This one hasn't got a cab over, but we'll have a look at it anyway. S60 SL. This thing here, 73,000, 7-meter motorhome. German layout at the back. And there you have the washroom. And here's an interesting thing I've never seen before. You've got, you know what, that's a minor thing, but how often does it happen that you're cleaning your hob up, you've got water, and then you've got trying to get the water out. Look at that, you just push it down, take this thing here out, then assuming it comes out, and then it'll all go. I think that's just I know it's a tiny minor thing, but that's a little detail that I appreciate. We've got a bed over here, but there's plenty of space below it as well. There you go, see the bed. Okay, good. So you want to see this one? All right. So this is a C700DL, 70,000 euros. It is 7 meters long. Face to face. Lots of people seem to want face to face. At least more and more of them are being built. I'm not so keen on them myself, but that's me. Each to their own. Smallish kitchen. And they're using the same decor here at the back as they use in their posh Adria brand. So you find that this bed, for example, motorhomes, it'll cost 2.5 times as much. Window on either side, fridge. Let's have a look in here. Yeah, nice. Good. Okay then, so I shall finish off from this angle here. Sun Living, a brand I'm normally not very impressed by, but I find this all very attractive. So particularly this vehicle, I think it's very practical, and even with 4 people, there's enough room in that corridor to move around in. Thanks for watching. All the best from me. Bye for now.